Do you have your best work showcased on your website? Case studies let your prospects see themselves and their problem in your marketing. When you put a case study on your website, you're creating content that is rich in SEO value and also speaks directly to potential customers. You want to tell the story of the problem a customer had and the solution you provided to solve the problem. Showcasing your best case studies on your website will help visitors see that they have found the right company to solve their problem.